Hi sir, my name is Eisenhower Please Riaco together with Rod Eric Marceliana. Today we talk about new role of information system in business and enterprise competitiveness. Information systems have always played a critical role in business competitiveness, but their role has evolved significantly with technological advancement and changing business landscape. Muna sa ang information system sa competition sa negosyo kag nagalabot gid ang ilang apelyido sa technology pag-uswag sa ilang negosyo. Here's some keys way in which information system contribute to business and enterprise competitiveness. Data-driven decision making. Ah, paggamit sang datos nagabulig sa mga decision making and uh, strategic planning and forecasting. Pagplano kag nagabulig sa mga negosyo preparar sa palabuton, mga to palabuton ng negosyo. Enhance customer experience. Amon sa sir like ano na sa like panamion experience sa mga customer kag nagadulot sang mas mataas na kalipay kag pagkatutom sa mga customer mga so, supply chains optimization. Amo na sa ang pagpaayo sang supply chains nagadulot sa mas epektibo kag mas barato nga operasyon. So, innovation and product development. Siya na nga develop sang produkto sir kag nagabulig sa negosyo nga mas panami pang ila negosyo. And agility and adaptability. Amo na sa like abilidadan like nag-adapt, nagahatag sa negosyo sang bentaha sa pagbulig. So like muna wala and risk management and compliance. Amo ni siyang gaprotekta sa negosyo na batok sa mga posible nga problema and globalization and expansion is amo ni sa ang pagpalapad sang operasyon like opportunity sa negosyo nga makalabot sa like blah, blah, negosyo lang tama na sa next data driven decision making. Information system collect, process, and analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, enabling business to make informed decisions based on real-time insight. This allows companies to adapt quickly to market changes, identify new opportunities, and optimize their operation for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Ah, ang mga information system nagatipon kag nagaproseso kag naga-analyze tas analyze sa mga damo na data from various sources strategic planning and forecasting. This provides tools for strategic planning and forecasting, helping business anticipate future trends, risks, and opportunities by leveraging predicting analytics and modeling techniques. Companies can develop robust strategies to stay ahead from the competition and maintain a competitiveness edge in the market. Nagabulig sa negosyo, sir, ang meaning na nagabulig sa negosyo sa pagpalabuton nga trend kag an opportunity na maintain ang ila competitiveness. Yes. Enhance customer experience. Information system facilitate personalized interaction with customer throughout customer relationship management system, social media and platforms, and other digital channels. By understanding customer preference and behaviors, business can tailor their product, service, and marketing effort to meet individual needs, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Enhance customer experience is ang information system like mabuligan sini ang negosyo nga matuon ang ila produkto like serbisyo, marketing efforts, individual nga kinahanglanon kag sa amo mapaayong customer satisfaction. Supply chain optimization enable seamless coordination and integration across the entire supply chain from product and production to distribution and logistics by optimizing inventory levels, streamlining process, and improving communication with suppliers and partners business. Reduce costs, minimize lead time, and deliver products to market faster, giving them a competitive advantage. Naghahatag sa opportunity, sir, sa negosyo na mapuslan ang mga level sa inventory, matapos ang mga proseso. So, innovation and product development. Information systems support innovation and product development by facilitating collaboration, knowledge sharing, and creativity within organizations throughout digital platform, crowdsourcing, and open innovation. Initiatives companies can harness the collective intelligence of employees, customers, and external stakeholders to generate new ideas, prototype solutions, and bring innovation product and service to market more quickly. Information product development. Ang system information sundot nagasuporta sa innovation sa pag-develop ng product paagi sa pagbulig sourcing, agility and adaptability. In today's fast-paced business environment, agility and adaptability are essential for staying competitive. Information system enable business to quickly respond to change in the market condition, customer preference, and regulatory requirements by providing real-time data, flexibility, process, and scheduling infrastructure. Ah, ano, Domo na sa mga mabilis nga
palibot sa negosyo kagipon kay ma-adapt nila para mabili ang ma-maintain ang competitiveness. Management and compliance. Information system help business identify, assess, and mitigate various risks, including cybersecurity threats, legality compliance issues, and operational dis- disruption by implement robust security measures, monitoring system, and compliance frameworks. Companies can safeguard their asset reputation and legal standing, reducing likelihood, costly incident, and penal- penalties. Ang risk management, ang mga sistema ng impormasyon na makabulog sa negosyo pagkilala, ah excuse, pagpugong sa mga nag-aalabot na mga disaster problema or mga mga tawa-tawa mga manasa. And globalization and expansion. Information system facilitate globalization and expansion by enabling business to operate across geographical boundaries and cultural difference through e-commerce platforms, online marketplace, and digital communication tools. Companies can reach new markets, engage with diverse customers, and establish a global preference without significant physical infrastructure or overhead costs. Ang globalization and expansion is sa mga negosyo bala sa mga ma-operate sa mga geographical na limitasyon nga paglikaw sa culture paagi sa platform online marketplace ang mga next. The role and types of information system in business enterprise. Use example. Excuse. Transaction processing system. Ang transaction system, transaction processing system nagaproseso sa mga transaksyon sa isa ka organization and process control system of digital education. Ang mga process control system of digital education naga-control ka nagaproseso sa pagtudlo sang gina uh, alam nila management information system. Ang management information system naghahatag sang kinahanglan na impormasyon sa mga magadala para sa pagdesisyon, do decision making. Decision support system. Uh, decision support system magabulig minsan sa mga panagdesisyon sa paghimo sing maayo sa mga decision based sa data. Yes. Executive Information System nagahatag sang instruktiko nga impormasyon sa mga ehekutibo like pagdumala sa mga organisasyon. Expert system. Ang expert system is nagahatag sang specialized nga mga recommendation and kag solusyon based sa information sa mga kaalaman and knowledge management system. Ang knowledge management system nagahatag sing pag-organize kag pruning sang kaalaman sa sulod sang organisasyon and strategic information system gina-design para magbulig sa organization nga pagdumala sang ilang nga strategy kag loyalty and enterprise collaboration system nagahatag sing furniture kag platform para mapatigayon kag makipag-angot sa mga empleyado sa sulod sang organisasyon.
These are the roles and types of information system in business enterprise. We have transaction processing systems, process control systems of digital education, management information systems, decision support system or DSSS, executive information systems or EIS, expert systems or ES, knowledge management systems, KMS, strategic information systems or SIS, and enterprise collaboration systems or ECSS. Transaction processing systems. Transaction processing systems or TPS are essential business systems that supplement operational levels, performing routine transactions and recording information for management information systems and decision support systems. They support daily firm operations at the lowest organizational hierarchy. Process control systems of digital education. Process control systems monitor industrial processes like petroleum refining, power generation, and steel production using electronic sensors and computers. They control equipment, computer programs, and operating procedures, ensuring real-time adjustments. Management Information Systems or MIS. Management Information Systems or MIS are computer systems that collect and process information from various sources from decision-making and managerial levels. They supplement this information with pre-specified reports and displays to support business decisions. MIS helps lower-level managers monitors deal dispensation behavior at the secretarial level, providing supervisors with necessary control reports. It is a planned system for collecting, storing, and disseminating data needed for management functions. Decision Support Systems or DSSS. Decision Support System or DSS is a computer-based tool used by managers to make decisions in semi-predetermined situations. DSSS help managers model, formulate, scheme, compare, and select the best option to predict the scenario. They are designed to help management make decisions in uncertain or risky situations, such as solving poorly defined or semi-structured problems. Executive Information Systems or EIS. Executive Information Systems or EIS are designed to prove quick access to internal and external information. Often presented in graphical format, this system customized to the needs of the top executive and higher level managers. Provide critical information from various sources such as MIS and DSS in easy to use displays. EISs are oriented towards strategic management, generating abstract, simplified information to meet senior management requirements. Expert System or ES. Expert System or ES are category of artificial intelligence such used as successful in building commercial applications for business organizations. They prove expert advice and consultants mimic human reasoning and are computer programs that perform tasks at the level of a human expert. Knowledge Management Systems or KMS. Knowledge Management System or KMS are emerging computer-based information systems that support the creation and dissemination of business knowledge to employees and managers within a company, enhancing knowledge growth. Strategic Information Systems or SIS. Top-level managers use strategic information systems or SIS to apply technology to a business products, services, or processes, gaining a competitive advantage over competitors and sustaining market dominance. Enterprise Enterprise Collaboration Systems or ECSS. Office mechanization schemes or second-hand systems that help management information flow in firms, enhancing team communication and productivity. These systems are not specific to any level but support a wide range of users. They complement office tasks with information technology, enhancing employee collaboration and communicating through voicemail, multimedia systems, and data transfer. And that's all. Thank you.